Step into the past, into a world of kings and empires, where a city of stone rose from the desert sands of what is now southern Iran. This is Persepolis, the dazzling heart of the first Persian Empire. It wasn't just a city built for power, it was a city built for immortality. Today, we journey back 2,500 years to walk its hallowed grounds and uncover the stories etched into its very foundations. Imagine a ruler, Darius the Great, looking out over his vast domain, an empire stretching from the Indus Valley all the way to Egypt. He dreamed of a capital that would not only be a seat of power, but a spectacular showcase of the empire's might, unity, and cultural richness. And so, Persepolis was born. This wasn't just another palace complex, it was an immense ceremonial stage, a declaration in stone designed to awe every visitor and citizen. Every grand staircase, every towering column, and every intricate relief carving was meticulously planned to tell a story of divine right, of victories won, and of a multicultural empire living in harmony. As you walk through these ruins, you're walking through the pages of a history book written by the hands of master artisans. Let's look closer at these incredible carvings. They are a frozen parade of history, a silent testament to the empire's vast reach. Here, you can see delegations from across the known world, each depicted with stunning accuracy. There are Lydians from modern-day Turkey, bringing gold and precious metals. Next to them, Ethiopians, carrying ivory tusks. And over here, delegates from India, offering fine textiles and spices. Each figure is carved with distinct features, clothing, and hairstyles, celebrating their unique cultural identity. This wasn't about conquest and subjugation. It was a grand annual celebration of diplomacy and diversity, where nations gathered to pay tribute and reaffirm their allegiance to the King of Kings. The reliefs of Persepolis whisper tales of a time when dozens of cultures came together, not in conflict, but in a shared celebration of peace and prosperity under the Persian crown. As visitors approached the main terrace, they would first pass through the monumental Gate of All Nations. Built by Darius's son, Xerxes III, its name tells you everything you need to know about its purpose. Guarded by colossal stone lamassu, mythical winged bulls with human heads, this gate was designed to impress and to welcome. Hear the distant beat of drums, the murmur of countless languages spoken by travelers and dignitaries. See the sunlight glinting off gold-threaded robes and sparkling jewels. Smell the fragrant incense burning in ornate censers, filling the air with an exotic aroma. Passing through this gate was more than just an entry. It was a rite of passage, a transition from the ordinary world into the sacred beating heart of an empire that saw itself as the center of the world. Persepolis was alive, a vibrant, cosmopolitan hub where the world united under one crown. But as with all great empires, glory can attract destruction. In 330 BCE, the winds of change blew in from the west, led by a young and ambitious conqueror, Alexander the Great. After a series of decisive battles, the Persian Empire fell, and Alexander's army marched on Persepolis. Accounts differ on why it happened. Some say it was a drunken act of revenge for the burning of Athens, others a cold, calculated political move. But the result was the same. The magnificent palaces, filled with treasures from across the empire, were set ablaze. The jewel of Asia was consumed by fire. Its cedar wood roofs collapsed, its vibrant tapestries turned to ash, and its towering columns were blackened by soot. The heart of the empire stopped beating, and a silence fell over the plains that would last for centuries. Yet, even in its destruction, the memory of Persepolis refused to die. Today, the hauntingly beautiful ruins of Persepolis stand as a powerful symbol, not just of loss, but of incredible resilience. The scorched columns that still reach for the sky are a testament to the engineering genius of their creators. Each fallen capital, each fractured relief, tells a story of a civilization that profoundly shaped the course of human history. The Persians gave the world innovations in governance, art, architecture, and human rights that echoed through millennia. Standing here as the sun sets, Casting long shadows across the ancient stones, you can almost feel the presence of the past. Persepolis is more than a ruin. It is a place where history breathes, where the stones still whisper the epic legacy of Persia's eternal empire. If these stones could speak, what tales of kings, queens, and epic celebrations would they share? Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you were captivated by the story of Persepolis, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the wonders that have shaped our world.